What's up, my future scholars out there? We're gonna talk about one of the important basic parts of speech today. It's called a noun.
A noun?
You may have heard about it before.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Let's go. A noun is a person, place, or thing, and an idea. For example, honesty. Common nouns are unidentified, like girl, boy, school, building, or the sky. This means they don't get capitalized because they don't ever specify. However, proper nouns are the ones that are specific. If you capitalize them, then you're terrific. Proper nouns are names of people, places, and things, titles of books, newspapers, and magazines. Don't forget places like the state capitol and publications like the Washington Journal. Excitement, democracy, and victory are abstract nouns that you can't touch or see. And the opposite we call concrete. Nouns like shoe, coat, hat, and tree. So what is it called when you combine two words that names a person, place, or thing, like hummingbird, mailbox, fish tank, suitcase, and headlight? If you said compound nouns, you're right. Now collective nouns are my favorite indeed. My crew, our class, our family, and company. They all name a group of two or more people or things, but possessive nouns need an apostrophe. Apostrophe S, of course, not your hip, because they always show ownership. The school's office, it's Rihanna's book. Rihanna's book. The captain's hat. Captain's hat. The pirate's hook. Pirate's hook. Now, we just gave you a quick intro to one of the most important parts of speech, called a noun. And as you can see, there are several